That is derelict. Private property though.
Keep out. I ain't going in.
No, fall down beyond. I wonder what they do for dog walks over here, because they can't walk them in this weather.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because there's been a few idiots.
Squirrel going up the structure. Yes.
A few idiots in Bronzeville. And then, did you read the
one
one
that died?
Died?
Yes.
In somebody's arms. She tried to help it.
That was bad.
Wasn't it bad? No, you just
Bad.
had to do it.
So hang on, let's come back up to the main street.
We come round enough.
I think we have a little bit, yes.
Look at these houses.
That was the
They're
police
not very
station.
nice. Oh, wow.
City Hall.
But
City Hall.
Quite safe against opposite the police.
This is the main street. Look, this is mad.
Wow.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
There it is, another little town. Horton.
And there's two policemen, or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's one civilian and one police. Join the police in some places must see nothing, and then other places are busy, so
Yeah.
they must have different grades.
All the school buses up that road.
What do you mean, different grade? It
Yes.
would be very bad if somebody got the same grade and they did hardly anything all day and everybody was chasing everybody. Obviously the buses are all not derelict, redundant now, because the schools are closed. That yellow property.
Yellow truck to go with it. Oh, there's an old something there, beautiful old car. Old motorbikes, there's Hell's Angels up there, a couple of Harleys. Wow. Little train there, hanging.
Oh.
Local employer.
Oh, look at that house.
Yeah, then you get that.
You get a downstairs to that as well. Wow.
Ooh-wee. It's set up there, but there was a gate into a field.
Yeah. There's an historical marker up there, apparently. Obviously, anti-abortion here. There's no cars on the road. No cars.
No. This is, if you love driving, then you know, in the UK, you're always in a queue. You know, go to Wales.
I never used to.
You're in a queue.
But
you are now. But here, you can do. Just love driving.
I used to be able to go down Cornwall, and you can't now.
In the summer, give up. You know, no chance.